Okay, that is index of. Now what if I want to get the index of the last occurrence? So for that we have another method called, why everybody is going off and one by one, is the bandwidth a problem? Okay, fine. So we have last index of needle again. So this gives me the index of the last occurrence of the needle. It says now this is the last occurrence. So like name dot index of t. So this time this returns 2, whereas here in this case it returns 0, right? So I'll say sentence dot oops not index last index. Okay, so again here in sentence, let's say the last index of s, let's say. So what does this written? I don't know how to calculate it, but yeah, we'll see. This gives the last s, whatever we have in this classes. So the last s of classes will be that index will be returned. Okay, so our last index. The next one here is char at. Now this time it's reverse. Like previously we were giving a 31. Great, fantastic. So this is 31. So at index. So what does this do is, like previously we were giving a string or a character out there and we're getting its index. Now here this is a reverse. Give index, it gives me back that character, whatever there at that position. For instance, in this case, let's say this gives character at the given index. Let's say example, I'll say name dot in name give me 2. So at index 2 the character over there is t. Okay, that's what our char at does. Alright, so the next in line, any questions here? Yes, no questions? So the next two, right, in our first group we said like we're gonna discuss 6. So the next one is another method which is called to uppercase. Okay, the name suggests converts I'm sorry, it's T. It's T. Converts all the characters in the string to uppercase. Alright, irrespective of what are the case in it, it turns everything to be uppercase. Then the next method in the line is to lowercase. So this is just a reverse. It converts all the characters in the string to lowercase. Alright, so these are the first group. The first group we have discussed about the length. The length always returns an integer, sorry, a number over there, which is always a number. Length is always a number. So whenever I say dot length, it gives me the length of the number of characters in the string. including spaces, anything, whatever which is enclosed between the stuff or what you call double quotes and end of the double quotes. So whatever is inside these two, it gives the length of everything over there, the number of characters. It counts the number of characters and gives back the count. And index of will give me the index of that particular string or character which I have supplied if present, only if present in it. If it's not present in it, it returns null, like I did not find. Okay, Lex is the last index, but the middle ones, we did not talk about the middle ones, but yeah, so the last index will give the last occurrence, the index of the last occurrence, and caret is just the reverse of index of, what are the character present at the given index, it returns me the character, and the next one is, the next two are the uppercase and lowercase, which are pretty understandable. Okay, any questions here before I go there and share my screen and start writing? Any questions? Well, let's then see. So open a new file here. Doc.type HTML. So inside the head, a title, Tutoslive